Hello guys, hello. This is meant to be a quick video. Like, I should have taken that pin, shouldn't I? But you know what, it's too late. I don't have time. I have my aligners in, so I might sound a little bit different. I've got like different settings of camera today. I normally look like my camera, normally it's like somewhere like down there, you know. However, today it's there, so I need to look this way in order to, you know, to look you in the eye. So if I happen to look like someone else, I'm sorry, but I'm in a rush. That's why I'm rushing right now. I don't have time to, like, you know, to record this video like 1,000 times like I normally do. Yeah, this is a quick DIY and anybody will be able to do it, even you. Okay, hopefully it won't take you a long time. So guys, let's get started. For this video you need an elastic, and this is the thickness, a couple of pins, a sewing machine, or you can make it by hand. First of all, I am folding 3 rows of squares in. You can decide how much you want. If you are using a fabric like mine, try to match the squares for a better result. After creating a case for the elastic, I am going to iron the area in order to keep everything in place. Now, I'm going to sew a straight stitch very close to the border of the shirt, which is going to show on the other side. Use a thread that matches your project. I have chosen white because this shirt has got white thread. Guys, be careful. This is easy, but take your time. I'll fast forward the video because I'm pretty sure that you don't want to watch the whole thing. For the waist, I pick the elastic and I measure around the area where I want the shirt to sit. In this case, I want it to sit on my waistline, like so. I don't want it to be too tight, so I'm not stretching the elastic. If anything, I can always trim it if I want to. After using a safety pin to insert the elastic, that's how the gathering looks like. However, in this area, I want it to be gathering free. So I'm going to sew some stitches in order to stop the elastic pulling the fabric, like so. So I need those stitches and I sew it on both sides of the shirt. Guys, oh my god, I just realized that I've got an extra button here. Wow, that's what I needed. I'm going to use it. So carefully, I decide to make a buttonhole in order to insert the extra button that I found. And for that to work, I have to take the excess of elastic in this area. So I pull this much out and trim it. Then I relax the shirt. After creating the buttonhole, I'm going to seam rip it carefully. I did pretty good. It is straight at least. And the last thing to do would be to hand sew the button on the other side of the shirt. And that's it. This is the end. Guys, if you want to know how I create a buttonhole or how I hand sew the button in, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you on the next one.